Good Friday morning! It's Friday, Mrs. Zidley. It's Friday! Oh my gosh. Okay, I know I'm crazy. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening whenever you're watching this. I know you guys think Mrs. Zidley is just absolutely crazy! Or cray-cray as I say. I am looking forward to this wonderful Friday. I don't know why, I just am. I love Fridays. Okay, friends, here we go. It is time to do our calendar. We might just make it short and sweet today since it's Friday. We don't have a lot planned for today. So here we go. Our month is October. October. So today, the first was a bat. What do you think the second is? Today is October the 2nd. What do you think it is? It's orange. What do you think? And it's kind of round, maybe oval. I don't know. It's a weird shape. And they're heavy and big. And they're in the fall. And they are pumpkins! Today is October the 2nd, 2020. So we will put that right here. I wonder if our pattern is going to be a bee. We don't know yet, do we? So we have bat, pumpkin, or black, orange. We don't know yet, do we? We don't know. We won't know for a couple more days. Okay, maybe Monday we'll be able to figure it out. Somebody has a birthday! A birthday on Sunday! Sean, not Brian, Sean. It's your birthday on Sunday. Yay! I will be sending you out a birthday song. And I will send it out today. I know it's not your birthday today, but I want everybody, that's one of their assignments today, if they want to draw you a picture, if they want to send you a voice message through a recorder and through the microphone, or if they want to send you a video. Okay, so we will sing happy birthday to Sean today, because if we were in school, that's when we would do it, is on Friday, because your birthday's on Sunday. Okay, so we're not in school on Sundays. But guess what? I may wait till Sunday to send out your messages from Friday. So be looking for those, Sean. I'm so excited for you. I hope you have an awesome birthday. Okay, here we go, Mrs. Zidley. It's time to get back to our daily message. Okay, today is, if you don't know what today is, then you don't know Mrs. Hensley very well, because she is cray-cray on Fridays. On Fridays! Oh my gosh. Okay, I know. I'm not even going to make you guess. It's Friday today. Oh my gosh, Mrs. Hensley, you are crazy. Okay, today's Friday. What comes after Friday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Saturday. Okay, so tomorrow will be Saturday. And what was yesterday? What comes before Friday? Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Ooh, there's that naughty TH. Naughty TH. Thursday comes before Friday. Thursday. So yesterday was Thursday, today is Friday, tomorrow will be Saturday. Okay, our season is still in autumn. It hasn't been there very long, has it? Autumn or fall? Okay, let's do the numbers of days that we have been in school. And I try to get that no glare on there, but for some reason it likes to glare. And that makes me sad. Okay, so we need to add a straw for the numbers of days we've been in school, because today is another day of school. Okay, so there's our straw. Let's add a tally. So let's count and see how many we have. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26. Let's see if we have 26 tally marks. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and one more is 26. So we write a 26 with a 2 and a 6. 26, a 2 and a 6. Okay, Mrs. Hensley, we're going to go over here and do a date for October the 2nd. And of course, we have to write somebody's birthday. Let's use brown, okay? Brown. Here we go. Let's count and see which month October is. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October. 5 and 5. How many fingers am I holding up? 10. So today is 10-2-20, or we can abbreviate October, finger space 2, 2020, or we can write out October 2, 2020. And Mrs. Hensley is going to add October 4th is Sean's birthday. Yay, Sean's birthday. Happy face, Sean's birthday. Sean, we hope you have a happy birthday weekend, because your birthday's on Sunday, so you get to celebrate it all weekend because it's on Sunday. I'm just kidding, but you might be able to. I don't know. Okay, let's talk about what we're going to do today on this fantabulous Friday. I love fantabulous. I don't even know if people say that, but Mrs. Hensley likes to say it. Okay, we are going to do our Foundations letter sound cards. You will have a letter naming fluency and a letter word sound fluency. You will be doing a seesaw activity on matching uppercase and lowercase letters on apple trees. We will be focusing on the number 10 today, and we will review the 10 frame. So you will need your 10 frame and your chips and your number cards out today. And guess what? Well, I don't know. Something special at the end of the day today. We are going, not really going, but we are going on a virtual field trip. I wonder where we could be going. Are we really going to all meet up and go on a field trip? No. It's a pretend field trip that we're going to be watching on our iPads, okay? So I wonder, think about what we've been talking about. Where do you think we might go on our virtual field trip? Think about that. Where do you think we're going on our virtual field trip? Let me think. Virtual field trip. Could we be going to a farm? Oh, we could be going to a farm. Okay, you guys have a fantabulous Friday. I'm so excited. That's just one step closer to us getting to come to school, isn't it? Yay. Okay, friends, be serious, Mrs. Hensley. Have a fantabulous Friday. That's not me. That's not me. I can't. Have a fantabulous Friday and an awesome weekend. And Mrs. Hensley will see you bright and early on Monday morning. See you later, friends. Have an awesome weekend and a fantabulous Friday, okay? I will talk to you soon.